Welcome to the Advanced Memory Techniques course. My name is Chris M. Nemo, and I'm a memory improvement writer and blogger at the Nemo Bay. In this course, I will introduce you to the advanced memory systems used by memory experts in competitions. If you are completely new in this area, I recommend you start with my first Udemy course on memory techniques, which includes the basic mnemonic techniques, and then learn the advanced mnemonic systems presented in this course. Your ability to memorize large amounts of information is essential to your success. Good memorizing ability will convince people that you are generally more intelligent than others who do not master this skill. An excellent memory can garner the respect and esteem of others, make you a more valuable person, and get the attention from people who can help you and open doors for you. This skill can help you earn more and get promoted faster as much as any other talent you can develop. After all, the only way you can demonstrate your mastery of a subject is by retaining and recalling as much details about it. Memory is one of the 5 learning mind sports, which are speed reading, IQ, creativity, mind mapping, and memory. All of them are competitive sports, and collectively they can help anyone to become better in their studies or in their work. So, what is the challenge of this course? In the first place, I want to make you understand what memory improvement is about, and see for yourself just how simple and handy the skill is. This course is not intended to train you to become a grand master of memory, although if you will be motivated and determined enough, you'll probably be able to successfully participate in any memory competition. After you understand how it works, and I guarantee that you will understand it after watching this course, improving your memory will be just a matter of consistency and practice. After creating my first course dedicated to the basic memory techniques, which is also available on Udemy, I noticed a great interest in this topic, so I brought now the second course, dedicated to the advanced memory techniques used by memory athletes in competitions. In this course, you will find simple but powerful memory techniques that you can apply in your daily life that can ensure your success in different situations that you face every day. These techniques will be your new mnemonic nuclear arsenal that will help you to memorize short, medium, or very long numbers, including binary numbers. To remember people's names and faces, to remember the dates of appointments, birthdays, anniversaries, to memorize the exact order of one or more complete packs of cards, and to memorize random abstract images or entire list of random words. By applying these methods, you will be able to absorb and recall huge amounts of information, an incredibly useful skill that will increase your self-confidence. The good news is that your memory is like a muscle. It grows stronger and more capable with use. The act of memorizing through observation, association, storage, and recall forces you to use your mind at a higher level, and it actually makes you smarter. If you start consistent memory training, besides improving it, you will also notice an improvement in the overall quality of your life. It will become easier for you to think creatively, to generate images, ideas, and thoughts in all walks of your life. You will become more efficient at performing everyday tasks of varying complexity, from writing a simple list to operating technical equipment. So relax and watch the next lessons, because you just have stepped into the amazing world of memory improvement.